Good afternoon, all the students of 6th standard. See, we are learning the fourth lesson of our history, that is Vedic civilizations. This one we have started, and nearby we came up to the last page due to some of the problems of textbooks. I was unable to send the videos. Today also you can see the condition that how I am doing the videos there. I am holding the mobile in my hand, and in another mobile that PDF file is there of our textbooks. So in this way I am trying to send, making the videos there. See, last one point is there's 4.5 political systems. I have told the political system here. Now in the political system, if you say that I told how the political system established, that village head was called as a Gramini there, and group of village formed with the Vish, whose head was called as a Vishpati, and several what is there Vish form as a Jan, and their head was called as a king or the Raja there, Janpad. So king known that in order to run the administration smoothly, the king appointed various officers to run the administrations, to run the government or the kingdom empire that smoothly. He appointed the officers, he appointed this. The Purohit, priest, and the Senapati of the army were officers of special importance in the kingship there. Purohit is there, who look after the religious matter. Senapati, who look after the administration, means war activities or to protection of the kingdom. They were the important one in the kings. The officer who collected the taxes was known as a Bhagduk, one who collect the taxes. Officers were there to collect the taxes there. So that officer, one who collect the taxes, in present time we can call as the income tax. So that officer was known as a Bhagduk. Bhag means share. The meaning of the Bhagduk is formed by the combination of the word Bhag means share. The person who collected the king's share of the produce of Jana was called as a Bhagduk. On behalf of king, a person one who collected the share of taxes from the peoples to the king, that person is known as a Bhagduk. There were 4 institutions who guide the king. 4 institutions were there to assist, to help, or to support the king, or to guide him. Sabha, Samiti, Vidha, and Jana, like in say 4 parts were there, groups were there to assist, to help the king there. Sabha, Samiti, Vidat, and Jana. The people of the state participate in their working. All the people, they participate in the working there, in the working, making decisions there or taking decisions. Women to participate in the working of the Sabha and Vidat. Women were also actually they participated in it. So they participated in it. The Sabha consisted of the senior citizens of the state, where the Samiti was general body of the people. Sabha in that senior citizen of the state, and what is there? Samiti in that general body of the people. All people were participated in that. So in the Sabha only senior citizens, and in Samiti all citizens of the state, they participated in the decision making process. Later on the Vedic thought, Samiti and Puranas were composed that. Thought that Samiti as they composed there. After a period of time, a religious stream based on the Vedas, Samitis, Puranas, and local traditions came to be known as a Hinduism. What is there? After some time, that what is the religious stream started there? That religious stream is based on or set up on Vedas, Smritis, Purana, and the local tradition came to be known as a Hinduism. In this way, Hindu religion established or started this. So along with the Vedic stream, there were other religious trends which took different positions from the Vedic one. Along with the Hinduism or the Vedic civilization, another streams were there, religious streams were there. They also started there. They took their positions along with the Vedic one. Regarding Yajna rites, the Varna systems also there. Yajna rites were there. Varna system also become dominant there. We will learn more about them in the next chapter. And whatever the Yajna system is there, rites are there. about the Yajna's Varna systems, that all the informations we'll try to see in the next chapter. So in this way, what is there? Here we have completed our lesson, and whatever the textbook exercise there of the same lessons, that exercise you have to complete. You have the textbook. If you not have textbook, then also I have sent the PDF file of our textbook there, so that you see and you complete it. Complete your exercise, complete the question answers, and send me the photo of your answers. I am also trying to take a workbook. If I get the workbook from someone, last year's workbook, then from next onward, that I will try to give the question answers on the board of our from our syllabus, 6 standards workbook question answers I will try to give on the boards. Means you will get the question answers. If you not have workbook, then also you can write in your notebook and you can by heart all the question answers. That till all the time study. Thank you.